Hey everyone, this video today is going to be about a 2-strand beaded bracelet with a needle hack. First thing I'm going to show you is we have a big eye needle here. This one is 57 millimeters or 2 1/4 inches. A lot of big eye needles you'll get, sometimes they'll be bent, they'll be off a little bit. So the hack I have for 2-stranding in my beading is I take a pair of dikes or pliers. I take this big eye needle and I nip it. Then it becomes a split needle. Still sharp on this end, definitely, and still sharp on this end. So then I take that needle and I put it on my thread, and as you can see, there's the split, there's my thread, and then I'm going to bead. These are just clear beads that I've just grabbed to make a standard size stretch bracelet. And I'm just going to bead them on. I chose clear beads and I chose black flat elastic cord so that you could see the contrast between the cord inside the needle or inside the bead. So then you can watch the travel of your knot. So you can see kind of what's going on inside after you tie the knot on a 2-strand. The knot is actually a pretty professional knot, but it allows you to have double the strand of elastic in your bracelet. It makes beading a little easier, especially with this type of needle. And I'll get this finished up here in a second. And let's go ahead and get this almost done here. All right, and we're going to put the last bead on. And kind of spread it out a little bit. Feel the weight in it. And then the nice thing about this needle, when you're done, you've got this right here. You're going to take one strand, and put it through. Whoops, sorry about that. Put it through, and then you're going to pull it back, and then you're just going to slide the needle right off, just like that. Put your needle in your tray, put it away, and now you've already looped it up, and now you're ready for a knot. So you just want to do a slight scooch of your beads so that you get a little tension in there, not too much. And you get that as close as you can. And then you're going to start with your knot. Now the first thing you're going to do, here are your 2 strands. You're going to cross this one over the top, just like that. And then you're going to bring this one through. So then you have a single overhand knot. And you're going to take that knot and you're going to pull it. And you're just going to snug it up in there. Just like that. And then you're going to do the exact same thing again. You're going to take and you're going to lay this one over. And then you're going to bring this one over the top and back through, as you can see. And then you're going to tie that in. You're going to do that 4 to 5 times. Lay it over, just like that. Bring this one over and under, just like that. And then you're going to pull it again, and that would be 3. So we continue to do that. So then you're at 4, and then you do it one more time. Just like that. And bring it in one more. Now, next what we're going to do is we're going to do a double knot. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to lay this over the top. We're going to bring this one over and back through the back, just like that. Then we're going to take this end and we're going to bring it up from behind and over. And that will give you a double knot. You can see that right there. And we're going to do that once. And then you can pull it up and you can see your knots in there. And we're going to tighten that up. And then we're going to do that one more time. So we're going to bring it over. Then we're going to cross this one over the top and through the back. So you can see right there. And then we're going to bring this one underneath and back over, just like that. And then what you can see, and you're just going to pull that just like that. Pull that snug and tight. And then you can see right in there all of your knots. And then you can move it. And if you look real close, you can see your knot inside the bead. And that's how you'll be able to adjust your knots back and forth. So on this one, you just give it one more really good tug. And then we're going to go ahead and snip it pretty close, just like that. And then we're just going to move that knot into our bead. Once you see how that works inside there, then you kind of configure how far you need to pull that in. So there you go. Got that pulled in, and there you go. There's your great little bracelet. There you go.